If you're looking to integrate Mailchimp with WooCommerce, you've come to the right place. This integration allows you to sync your online store with Mailchimp, making email marketing easier and more effective. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set it up, and we'll even reveal how you can get an exclusive, extended free trial of the software, so you won't want to miss out. Now, let's get started with the first step. First thing you'll need is the Mailchimp for WooCommerce plugin. It's free to download, and once installed, it automatically connects your WooCommerce store to Mailchimp, syncing customer and order data. To do this, go to your WordPress dashboard, click on Plugins, and then Add New. Search for Mailchimp for WooCommerce and click Install Now. Once it's installed, hit Activate. This will get you started, but there's more to it, so stay tuned. Next thing you need to do is connect your WooCommerce store to your Mailchimp account. If you don't have a Mailchimp account, you can sign up for free. After logging into Mailchimp, go back to your WordPress dashboard, find the Mailchimp settings, and input your Mailchimp API key. This API key lets WooCommerce talk to Mailchimp and share data like new customer details, purchase history, and more. Once you've entered that key, click Save Changes, and you'll be ready for the next step. The third thing is to sync your customer data. After the integration is complete, Mailchimp will sync with WooCommerce and pull in customer details like email addresses and purchase history. You can now segment your customers based on purchase behavior, which is perfect for targeted email campaigns. For example, you can send promotions to customers who've abandoned their carts or offer discounts to repeat buyers. This gives you the ability to personalize your emails, increasing the chance of sales. Next, let's set up an email automation flow. In Mailchimp, you can create automated email sequences that trigger based on specific actions your customers take. For instance, you can set up an automation to send a welcome email when someone makes their first purchase or a post-purchase follow-up with recommended products. You can also set up cart abandonment emails, reminding customers about the items they left behind. This automation can save you tons of time while driving more sales. The fifth thing is to use the reporting tools in Mailchimp. After you've sent out campaigns, make sure to check out the reports. Mailchimp provides detailed analytics on open rates, click rates, and other important metrics. You can use this data to adjust your strategy and make sure your email campaigns are as effective as possible. Finally, it's worth mentioning that you can use this software for completely free from the first link below, along with our exclusive bonuses. You'll get an extended free trial, giving you even more time to test out the full potential of Mailchimp's features with your WooCommerce store. And there you have it. You now know how to integrate Mailchimp with WooCommerce in just a few simple steps. Be sure to check the link below for your extended free trial to get started today. Happy emailing!